Welcome to the VS Tech Horizons cybersecurity course. In the next 3 minutes, we will give you a brief overview of the essential aspects of cybersecurity. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These attacks aim to access, change, or destroy sensitive information, extort money, or interrupt normal business processes. As our reliance on technology grows, so does the importance of robust cybersecurity measures. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is crucial for several reasons, such as protection of sensitive data, financial security, reputation management, regulatory compliance. Let's explore some common cyber threats, such as malware, phishing, ransomware, denial of service attacks. To protect yourself and your organization, follow these key cybersecurity practices such as using a strong password, regular software updates, data backup, employee training, security software. Stay ahead of the curve by keeping an eye on emerging cybersecurity trends like artificial intelligence AI and machine learning ML, zero trust security, course security. Cybersecurity is a dynamic and critical field in our increasingly digital world. By understanding the threats and implementing best practices, you can protect your data and maintain trust. Enroll with us in this cybersecurity course. How to register to the course? Visit our website www.vstechhorizon.com and fill out the registration form and complete the payment process. If you have any query, this is our detailed information. Contact us for further details. Thank you for watching this introduction to our cybersecurity course.